Bowie residents, have you been thinking about making some upgrades to your home? How about replacing those old windows or a new HVAC system? Well, here's your chance. Single-family housing rehabilitation grants are now available for all residents with limited financial means. The maximum amount allowed per household is $10,000, and homeowners can use the money to get energy-efficient upgrades, repair hazardous conditions, including replacing major systems and appliances. Here are a few things you need to know before you apply. The applicant must be the legal owner of the home, and the property must be located within the incorporated boundaries of the city of Bowie. You should also be able to provide income and asset verification, and additional federal requirements may apply.
It is a grant program. It's funded by HUD through their CDBG block grant program. So it's an opportunity to stabilize the housing market so that residents who want to stay in their homes and over the years maybe haven't been able to afford like a new roof or an HVAC unit or some of the larger ticket items. It's an opportunity for them to get some assistance and help reduce their utility costs at the same time.
For more information and to get an application, contact the city's Office of Grant Development and Administration at 301-809-3051 or send an email to bowiehsg@cityofbowie.org.